are going to love 2021 Mercedes GLA. The Mercedes GLA class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of the other Mercedes models. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.